how to set up Lightshot in Windows 11. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, open our browser right here. And then the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the search bar and then search for Lightshot. So just search for the Lightshot right there, and then you will see this link, which is the official website of Lightshot, wherein we can download these exe file. So just click that, and then once you are now here, just click this download for Windows if you're using Windows, and then click this if you are using Mac. So let's click on the Windows, and then once it is done right here, once it's been downloaded, just click the open file, and then on this part, just click OK. Click I accept the agreement and then next. And then once it is done, as you can see, we now have activated the Lightshot. So that is basically it. That is how to set up Lightshot in Windows 11.